Hello students, hope so everyone is fit and fine. So students, welcome back again to your computer class. So we was in your chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter was Introduction to Visual Basic. In my last class students, I have given you some question and answers. I have given you how can you declare variables, then mention the types, mention any 3 data types in Visual Basic. As well as I have given you what do you mean by IDE. So regarding that all question and answers, no one has any sort of doubt. So today we can move to another topic, that is your assigning a value to a variable. How one can assign a value to a variable. And this particular topic you will get in your page number 84. In page number 84 you will get this topic. Now when you are talking about assigning value to a variable, here it means what? Here the user is about to declare a value to a variable. Here you can say the user is about to declare a value to a variable by using certain formats. So students, you come to your page number 84. In page number 84, you will find there assigning a value to a variable. You look at that paragraph. Assigning a value to a variable, you look at that paragraph. Have you seen the paragraph? See the answer or see that paragraph. After declaring a variable using the dim statement, one can assign a value to that variable using an assignment statement. So here one can declare a value to a variable using your dim statement. Okay, by using the dim statement, one can declare a value to your variable. And here, what is assignment statement? You can say assignment statement is a statement where one can declare a value to your variables. Okay, where one can declare a value to a variable is known as your assigning statement. Clear this much? I think so everyone has understood assigning statement. What do you mean by assigning statement? You can say assigning statement is a statement where one can declare a value to your variable. Clear? Then you will get here the format, the general format of an assignment statement. Firstly, you have to write their variable is equal to, then you will give constant or expression. You can give any sort of constant or else you can give your expression signs. So here you will get an example. For example, A is equal to 100. Okay, A, you can give any number 50, 80, 70, 60, your choice. Okay, or A is equal to B into C, means B multiplication or multiple symbol C. Okay. This is the example of your assignment statement, or else you can say this is the example how we can assign a value to your variable. Clear this much? I think so everyone cleared this much? Is clear to you? So students, now you take out your copies. I will give you one answer. Regarding today's explanation, I will give you the answer. I think so everyone has taken out your copy. Be fast. Then you will write question number D. Okay, page number 91. You will take out to your page number 91. Page number 91, number D. Okay, you see answer the following, number D. What is an assignment statement? Question mark, explain with an example. You write this question in your copies. You write today's date at the top corner, then you write this question. Page number 91, number D. What is an assignment statement? Question mark, explain with an example. What is an assignment statement? Question mark, explain with an example. Clear? This much is clear to everyone? Then for the answer you write, I will dictate, you write. Assignment statement assignment statement is a statement. Assignment statement is a statement where one can declare where one can declare declare a value to a variable, where one can declare a value to a variable. Answer what I have said. Assignment statement is a statement where one can declare declare a value to a variable. Value to a variable, full stop. Then you take out your page number 84. In page number 84, have you seen this one, assigning a value to a variable paragraph? You are going to mark from after declaring. Okay, you are going to mark from after declaring. You are going to write from the same page. Okay, you are going to write from the same line. Okay, it's the same answer. After declaring a variable, mark from there. After declaring a variable, using the dim statement, one can assign a value to that variable using an assignment statement. Full stop. The general format of an assignment statement is give a hyphen. In the next line you will write variable is equal to constant or expression. Then again in the next line you will write, for example, A is equal to 100, next line, or A is equal to B into C, or A is equal to B into C, means multiplication sign, B into C. Clear? I am repeating again, okay? What is an assignment statement? Question mark. Explain with an example. You are going to write the answer. Assignment statement is a statement where one can declare a value to a variable, full stop. After declaring a variable using the dim statement, one can assign a value to that variable using an assignment statement, full stop. The general format of an assignment statement is, give a hyphen, next line you will write variable is equal to constant or expression. Then in the next line you are going to write, for example, hyphen, A is equal to 100, or next line, A is equal to B into C. This much is clear to you? No doubts regarding this? Okay. Then students, you will write the next question. What do you mean by event-driven programming? What do you mean by event-driven programming? I am dictating the question, you write. It's not there in your exercise question, you write. What do you mean by event, E-V-E-N-T, event hyphen driven, D-R-I-V-N, driven, programming, P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-I-N-G. What do you mean by event-driven programming? Question mark. Answer. Event-driven programming hyphen driven programming is a programming programming is a programming in which the program responds responds to events events that are actions actions performed performed by the user I am repeating the question again. What do you mean by event event hyphen driven driven programming programming question mark answer. Event driven programming is a programming in which the program program responds responds to events events that are actions actions performed by the user performed by the user. Full stop. So students, today I have explained you what do you mean by how can you assign a value to a variables, is not it, along with the format and example. I think so everyone has understood. As well as I have given you 2 question and answers. One is your what do you mean by what is an assignment statement, explain with an example, and the next one is what do you mean by event driven programming. So students, these 2 answers you learn as your homework. You write it very nicely in your computer copies and learn these 2 answers as your homework. Clear? In my next class, I will explain you about arithmetic operators. Okay? The different symbols or different arithmetic operators that is used in your Visual Basic. Okay? As well as I will explain you about concatenation, string concatenation. Okay? So students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.